Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. My name is Ben and today we want to take a look at the ADA chart. The market is on the move. We see some volatility in the crypto sector and therefore, as every Friday pretty much, we want to take a look at the updated ADA chart. Let's discuss if there are any changes and what the targets are. Let's go. Okay, so we are on the Market Intel website, dailymarketupdate.com. If you follow the videos regularly, you know that you can register here completely for free and you will receive updates about stocks, tech stocks, other asset classes. But today we want to take a look at our cryptocurrencies section and we take a look at the ADA chart. So what we want to do here is take a look at the long-term chart first, get everybody on the same page, very important, because it helps everybody understand the overall targets, what the key resistances are and where, just to understand the different levels that really matter on the chart. The chart is still overall showing us a bullish structure. We are still tracking here on the long-term chart ADA as a so-called 1-2 setup. That means that from here, a third wave rally should start. And these third wave rallies, they are typically the most aggressive rallies in any cycle. And as you can see on the chart, the third wave should actually take us to round about $5.30 plus. Important level here, the 250 mark, that needs to be broken to the upside going forward in order to unlock prices in that upside target range. Now that's sort of a medium-term, long-term target range. There's no guarantee that we get there, next week, maybe even, not even next month. Maybe we get there next year, maybe in 2 years. It's very difficult to say. Bear in mind that also this larger degree third wave consists of 5 waves. So it is all about the concept of waves within waves and the concept of fractals. So once we have wave 1 complete in the larger third wave, there should be a wave 2 corrective pullback, which would then form a higher low. So there is a lot of work required. It will take time and so on. So let's now take a look at the shorter time frame. And here you can see that the structure that we discussed in previous videos is actually pretty much unchanged. So we are still looking here at a 22 cent level as sort of key invalidation point. That's the level from June last year. In June last year, we had a major low and the price rallied afterwards in 5 waves in what we've labeled magenta wave 1. Then the price corrected quite deep for a wave 2, but the invalidation point is the 22 cent level and we haven't crossed that to the downside. Also, what is important to mention is that from here, a rally in a third wave could begin and we are already labeling it as if the wave 2 was completed and we are starting a third wave. That would be magenta wave 3, and important is that we break above this swing high from March. That would unlock then prices, I would say, towards that $2.51 area, would unlock a rally to that area because this 251 level is sort of the next major breakout point on the long-term chart. But let's go back to the shorter time frame. So important, I think, is to understand, as long as we're holding the August low, the overall idea is that we've actually bottomed in a wave 2, that we are starting a third wave rally. Now below the August low, you could use the 22 cent level, which is sort of the next higher level, higher degree invalidation point. As long as we're holding that, there is no evidence that a major top has formed. And that basically there is no evidence for invalidation of the overall bullish scenario. But below 22 cents, it's going to get critical for the bulls. At least we will have to wait much longer for a rally to new all-time highs. So that means at the moment we need a little bit more price data here on the smaller time frame. We just need more evidence about the kind of structure that's forming here. Again, we are labeling it as if a low is in, but we can't add another support region because the structure from that low that formed in August is a bit too ambiguous. It's not very clear. So therefore, we kind of keep it open what exactly the structure is. But once we can identify the next lower degree 5-wave move up, which would indicate the trend is up, we can then add the next support area to the chart, which could act as trading area. Maybe then there could be some profitable entries, or let's say reasonable entries for the next larger rally. So that's the update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, then yeah, make sure that you register on our website, dailymarketupdate.com. Also, leave a comment in the video description and let us know which other cryptocurrencies or tech stocks you want us to cover going forward. Don't forget to activate the notification bell, and yeah, have a great weekend. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.